You really thought that I was out of stupid ideas. Well, here's another stupid idea. I connected the fan to the LED strip controller, the RGB LED strip controller. And yeah, I connected it to the color blue. And what will it do when I turn it on? It will start spinning! Yay! That's right. But it's now in white mode, so all three colors are at maximum voltage. And I can even turn it down to 6 volts and then it will spin slowly, but that's the 2 speeds you get. Because when it goes down to 3 volts, then the fan will stop. Now it's spinning at 6 volts with a really low speed. And if I turn it even lower, then it will stop probably, because this is 3 volts and no fan should spin at 3 volts. Maybe some laptop fans. I said it will stop. Come on, don't make me a liar. Well, it keeps spinning. Whatever, but this is not normal. It will stop eventually. So let's crank it back up. So what can you do with fans? Maybe put one of these $3 LED strip controllers into a computer and you can control all the fans, really. Just not independently. Because most of these functions are based on turning some of the colors off. So then it would turn off a fan, another fan would spin at half speed if you use these. So only in white mode it would make sense to just use it in white. So all fans are spinning at the same speed, and you have 2 speed levels here, and off also. So that's good enough, I think, because when you're just doing office work or something, you turn the fans down because you don't heat the components very much. But when you're gaming, you put it to max. And the fans spin up and cool properly. So yeah, this is another application. I'll try to come up with something else too, a little more useful maybe. But this is also an unexpected combination. I didn't think about this before.